In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture a full-page screenshot of a website in Google Chrome. Sometimes you don't just want a screenshot of what you can see on your screen. You might need an image of the entire web page, including everything that's below the fold and only visible when you scroll. This is really useful for saving receipts, documenting web designs, or sharing a full view of a long article. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to do that using tools built right into Chrome, so you don't need to install any extensions. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and navigate to the website you want to capture. Give the page a moment to fully load, especially if it has a lot of images or animations. It's a good idea to scroll through the page once to make sure everything you care about has loaded properly. If there are pop-ups, banners, or chat windows that you don't want in your screenshot, close or hide those before you continue. Next, we're going to open Chrome's built-in developer tools. On Windows or Linux, you can do this by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and the letter I together on your keyboard. On a Mac, press Command, Option, and I. You can also right-click anywhere on the page and choose Inspect from the menu. This will open a panel, usually on the right or at the bottom of your browser window. Inside Developer Tools, look for a small icon that looks like a phone in front of a tablet. This is the device toolbar. Click that icon to switch Chrome into a responsive design mode. The page will now appear inside a frame that simulates different screen sizes. This mode is what allows us to capture the entire scrollable area. Once you're in this mode, open the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the Developer Tools panel. From that menu, hover over or select the option related to screenshots, then choose Capture Full-Size Screenshot or Capture Full-Page Screenshot, depending on your version of Chrome. Chrome will take a moment to scroll through the page in the background and then automatically download an image file of the entire page. Check your Downloads folder for the new file. Open it to confirm that it captured everything you needed from top to bottom. If something is cut off or you missed closing a pop-up, just adjust the page and repeat the process. That's all you need to take a full-page screenshot in Chrome, using only the tools that come built in.